I wanted to invite you to two live videos that we'll be doing today. The first is at 1 o'clock Central. It will be a webinar, and then 4 o'clock Central will be a YouTube Live. So let me show you what these will be. The webinar, which we use through Demio, and you just sign up one time, and then every time we do a webinar, you'll be notified about it. That's in the description. We'll be settling original creditor lawsuits. So we're talking about Capital One, Discover, Citibank, all these companies that are original creditors that sue you. How do you settle those, and how do you get to the end of that? And so this will be one of the slides from that presentation where the 5 most common mistakes. So number 1 is you just default. You don't answer. Now you may be negotiating with the collection lawyer, but you neglect to file an answer so you can get a default judgment. Or number 2, you don't get the details of the agreement in writing. And so you think it's been settled, but the collection lawyer says, no, we never had a deal, but thank you for sending me whatever, 60, 70, 80% of the money. Now you owe the rest. Number 3, not keeping the terms of the settlement exactly. So if there's a due date or a method of payment, you have to follow whatever the terms are of the settlement. Number 4, not following up to make sure the case is dismissed with prejudice, assuming that's a term of the settlement. And then number 5, and we'll spend some time on this, just assuming that after you pay, whether that's a lump sum or multiple payments, assuming that the original creditor is going to get the credit reporting right and accurate and complete. So that will be at 1 o'clock, and I will have a presentation, but we also do live questions on that. And then at 4 o'clock today, we'll do our Legalese show that we typically do every second and fourth Thursday of the month. This is Steve Palmieri and myself, and we'll answer your questions. Now, typically the questions we get are related to credit reports or the FCRA or credit repair, the FDCPA, Fair Debt Collection Practices Act, debt collection lawsuits, and that will be on just my YouTube channel, and it will be some other places, some Facebook communities, but you certainly can find it on the YouTube channel. Okay, guys, if you can make any of those, that will be great. We'll welcome your questions, and I will see you then. Take care. Bye-bye.